everybody, welcome back to my channel. I don't like how my jean jacket is sticking out my closet, so we just gonna move. What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video I'm finna do an unboxing because it's another thing from Target that I got. So yeah, I'm gonna do an unboxing. This okay, now as y'all know, I was supposed to do a whole hygiene haul, but everything is coming in at different times, so that's annoying. But yeah, like I'm getting shit every day and it's like one thing because they're coming from like all different Targets all over the world, so that's a little annoying. But we just gonna unbox everything as it comes because yeah, so that just means more videos for y'all. So what I got are these good wipes. They're biodegradable and flushable, plant-based, toxin free. Yeah, they're just good wipes. 60 come in a pack, so they're toxin and tie-dye free and 99% purified, H2O, hypoallergenic, flushable, pH balance, and legendary feel. Ooh. And this is what they look like. Is that red? Okay, I'm trying to take off the so yeah, this is what they look like. They're purple. They have travel sizes as well. This says because butts deserve better. I'm dead. That's funny. But I just want to see like how they smell because it says it's rose water. So oh, they smell pretty decent. Yep, they smell pretty decent, but it does say they're pH friendly, and it says pairs well with when you realize pairs well with when you realize that there is one big upside to working from home. You're now in charge of snacks and supplies. Also good for any restroom activities, ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, any dealing with that TOM. Oh, time of the month, before or after a date, trust us. After your coffee kicks in, a post-sweat, refresh, itchy butts, leave nothing behind. Did you know eye wipes are made with wood? I'm not gonna read all that. Oh, hold on. I am gonna read the fragrance part. It says, by the way, worried about fragrance? Don't be. With us, all of our fragrance and our hydrosols, which are naturally, can I not read? Which are naturally derived by simply soaking materials, roses for example, in water. All natural, just how we like it. No grossness, no problem, always balanced, and only the good stuff. Okay. And they're distributed in Atlanta, Georgia. Look at that. Okay, so I am definitely going to be getting the travel size version because This is like the bigger version. Y'all know I love wipes. Like, I have wipes in my bathroom right now. I have wipes in my little period kit. I have wipes in my bag. Y'all think I'm lying? Oh, not this bag, because I recently changed my bag. But they're in my other bag. But yeah, I have wipes. I carry wipes. I like wipes. I don't use tissues, you know what I'm saying? Like Huggies. Okay. I use wipes. Wipes is something that I will forever use. I'm never not gonna use wipes. Like, no. If you are a young girl, you need to know that your hygiene is very, very important, and it starts with making sure that you have a clean booty. You get what I'm saying? Like, after you boo boo or anything like that, you need to use a wipe. If you're sweating, okay, you need to use a wipe. If you need to refresh, you need to use a wipe. Okay, like, you need to make sure that you are using wipes. That is one thing that I push on my channel, on about hygiene. Like, that is one thing that I push. If you don't buy nothing else, get you some wipes. Okay, they are definitely going to, for one, they last you. Two, especially if they're flushable, just get wipes. Okay, like, after you did everything that you need to do with your man, make sure you're wiping up and using your wipes. Okay, hygiene is very, very, very important. It's very, 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 very important. And one thing too I want to say about men is just make sure, if you are going to do anything with a man, you need to watch him brush his teeth. You need to get tested. You need to make sure his fingernails and all that up under there is clean before y'all do anything. You get what I'm saying? Like, you need to make sure you're dealing with a clean dude. You get what I'm saying? You also need to make sure you get tested. Too many people out here is catching diseases because they don't get the proper test done before they have intercourse. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's not worth losing your health over. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know some females that have shit from niggas because they didn't get tested. You know what I'm saying? Like, just get tested. If you're gonna do anything with a man, get tested. Make sure you know his hygiene routine up and down. You get what I'm saying? Because these dudes do not be clean. You know what I'm saying? Like, some of these dudes, they don't be clean. They do not be clean. So just make sure, like, if you're gonna do anything with anybody, you're getting tested first. Like, if he can't get tested, he shouldn't be trying to do nothing with you. You know what I'm saying? That's how I feel. Especially if, like, y'all just want to... Because, some bitches don't want relationships. You know what I'm saying? Some girls just want to do the do. You get what I'm saying? Okay, that's fine. If he can't get tested, you shouldn't be doing nothing. That's all you want? Okay, cool. You know what I'm saying? And if you that girl that's like that, all right, cool. You know what I'm saying? But get tested. Are you willing to get tested? Oh, I already got tested. No. I'm gonna need you to get tested again. We can go together. I'm gonna need you to get tested though. Again. No bleed ass shit. I don't bleed. I don't bleed. Paperwork is cool. We need to go. Cause I don't know how that paperwork could be from last year. You could have messed with somebody before me. So yeah, we need to get tested together. And if he's not willing to get tested, well, get your ass on it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It's something about self-love that's just so important. You get what I'm saying? Like, just get tested. If he cannot get... I don't care how fine he is. I don't care, like, how, I don't care. Can you get tested with me? Are you willing to do that? No? Oh, okay. And that's what bitches need to know. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody not gonna wait till marriage. Everybody not gonna... You know what I'm saying? Some bitches... Some people literally don't want relationships, just want to fuck. You know what I'm saying? All right, cool. Get tested. Can you get tested? No? Oh, okay. Oh, that's it. I don't want to know. You know what I'm saying? Okay. You know what I'm saying? Like, mm-mm. Mm-mm. And then they'll try to do that. Oh, we gonna use a condom. I'm gonna use a condom. What? Condoms don't ensure that you're not gonna give me a disease. You get what I'm saying? Because you can do other stuff that gives you the disease. You do not have to get the disease just from having sex. You could do something oral. You could kiss me in my mouth. You know what I'm saying? And got the disease all up in your mouth and all that other stuff. No. Are you willing to get tested? If the answer is no, then you need to, as a woman, you need to respect yourself and be like, okay, well, you need to leave me the fuck alone. You know what I'm saying? I don't judge females for just having sex with dudes. You know what I'm saying? This your world, honey. You know, I don't give a fuck. Make sure you get tested though first. If that man says, oh, I'm just trying to fuck and you cool with it, you ready to get tested though? Oh, no? Okay, I'm good. We're gonna use a condom. I said I was good. I said I was good. It ain't that important. Not to deal with a lifelong disease or a disease period, because I think that's against, I don't know. I have to do more research. I'm not sure if it's against the law or nothing like that, but if you have something and you don't tell nobody, I think that's against the law, or at least it should be. I feel like getting tested should be mandatory after every time you have sex. That's how I feel, because dudes is really out here cheating on females, cheating on their girlfriends, having sex with any and everybody, and then coming home to their girlfriend, and their girlfriend is not using a condom because they feel like, oh, well, that's my man. We don't need condoms. That's my man. And then, boom, you got something. Now you're burning, and you don't know why you're burning, because that's your man. I don't know, that's how I feel. I feel like, and I also feel like if you needed to get tested every time after you had sex, there would be less children, number one, and there would be less diseases. There would be less people with diseases. Don't ever feel like, and this is another thing too, don't be naive, you know what I'm saying? Don't be nobody's fool, okay? If you are in a relationship, just because you are in a relationship, just because y'all call each other boyfriend, girlfriend, that don't mean nothing. Use protection. Okay? Condoms, 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 condoms. I don't trust people, bro. I ain't had a boyfriend. I don't know, man. You gonna have to be some type of dude to get me, because these niggas be lying so fucking much about like little shit. How you gonna lie about your health? How you lie about your health? How are you not willing to get tested? I could have something and give something to you. How are you not? Dudes really will like be like, no, I don't want to get tested. You just a nasty motherfucker, then. Okay. I'm done with this video. Y'all get the point. Y'all get the point. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. And make sure you follow me on TikTok as well. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice. And I'll see y'all in my next video.